Hey everybody, it's Daniel. I'm going to do another unboxing or opening. This time it's Invasion of Chaos, 25th anniversary set. Bought it on eBay again for relatively cheap considering. I think it was like 85 bucks with shipping and tax. I'll put the link for this in the description if the guy has more. I can't remember if it's a store or the guy just happened to have this and is selling this one, or if he has a bunch. If he has a bunch, if it is a store, I'll go ahead and list him. So anyway, let's go ahead. Same thing, it's 24 packs, 9 cards per pack, I believe. Does it say on there? 1 rare card in every pack. 9 cards per pack, yep. So should be about 216 boxes. 3, 4, I think it's what Ruxin always does. Let's see. Ooh, oh no. So this Trap Jammer, Big Koala, Cannonball Spear Shellfish, Dimension Distortion, Rio Cookie, DD Borderline, Spirit of the Pot of Greed, Pinch Hopper, and Stray Lambs. Okay, so I got 2. I got Stray Lambs and Trap Jammer. See if it looks again. Okay. Manju of the 10,000 Hands. Right now, I'm just gonna putting. So here, let me put the rares up, and then I'll put the commons just over here. It's been so long since I've had these. I don't even know what I would use. I do like Skullmark Ladybug. Invasion Chaos. It's a Trap Destroyer. The Yajamas. Zero Gravity, and Curse of Darkness. Okay. I know I would use Skullmark Ladybug. I have some in some decks, so that's actually a good one. I know they do have good cards in this set. It's just been, well, it's been a long time since I've had anything to do with it. This. So, Chaos End, Torpedo Fish, The Thing in the Crater, Lord Poison, Stealth Bird, Prickle Fairy. A lot of people like this one. Attack insect monsters if this card battle monster. Okay. Interesting. Goblin and Dralago. Okay. Trying to find a way to try to keep everything in frame. That's a little harder than you'd think. Soul Tiger. That's a good defense fodder, I guess. Heat, Heart of the Underdog, Crimson Ninja, Sylphid. Thunder Crash, Serpent Warrior of Darkness. I would use this one, possibly. And this one is Robin Zombie. Okay. Hoping maybe we get some kind of chaos monster. You know, one of the major ones, Dark Magician of Chaos, or Chaos Emperor Dragon, or something like that. Blackluster Soldier, even though, actually I have a Blackluster Soldier. I bought one on eBay for like super cheap, but it'd be nice if I get one. Distortion. Thing in the Crater, Neobug, Hero Emerges, Dawn Turtle. Oh, there's 2 things here. Destruction Ring, which is destroy one face-up monster on your side of the field to inflict 1,000 points of damage to both players' life points. Ooh, this is a good one. I keep forgetting about this one. Guardian Angel Joan. Destroys a monster by battle and sends it to the graveyard. Gain LP equal to that monster's original attack in the graveyard. Cool. That's a good one. I'm not unhappy with that. Let's grab these guys here. Turn that over so I don't see what that was. I saw it was a continuous spell. But again, like I said, it's been a while, so I don't really remember which cards are which. Shaman, Delta Hurricane, Fenrir. I know a lot of people like this one. Okay. Recycle. Stumbling. Soul Absorption. Curse Seal of the Forbidden Spell. Burning Algae. Giant Hammerhead. And Lacunga. I'm gonna have to go, as I go through this set, I'm gonna have to figure out, because like there's other box sets of this that are about the same price, if not cheaper. So if I want to get another one, I have to go through and see what I have to deal with in this deck. Okay, Sasuke Samurai number 3. I do have that one. And this one is Dedication Through Light and Darkness. Tribute 1 Dark Magician. Special summon 1 Dark Magician of Chaos from your hand, deck, or graveyard. I actually have a Dark Magician deck that has a Dark Magician of Chaos, so this is going to go in that deck. See, now that's a good card. That's a card I can use. Definitely a card I can use. 1, 2, 3, 4. Compulsory. Not bad. That's the compulsory ejection machine or device. It's not bad. That's not a bad card. It's just there's so many other better cards that can take space in your deck. Okay. East, okay. Yeah, use that. This Impachi is pretty good, actually. Like I said, I'm gonna have to go. I'm not gonna take all the time with this. Oh, Mad Dog of Darkness. That's one I've been using. I've used various versions of this in my decks. 1900 4-star attack, 4-star 1900 attack. That's a decent. It's a decent card. Maybe not in today's meta, but in the meta where I started, where I played, yeah. And that's kind of the meta I work off of, is that one. The old one. Like the cards I try to get, or the cards that that's a good card. So it's smashing around. A lot of these I try to get. The meta I play from, what's this? Chain Disappearance. Okay. I play in the old meta. So in the old meta, those cards are great. 2, 3, 4. Sacred Crane. Begone, Knave. Turn that monster to the hand. Stumbling Bucanian. Spatial Collapse. Ooh, Witch Doctor of Chaos. That's a good one. Inferno and Dark Triceratops. Piercing damage. That's a good one. 4 level 1 tribute. Yeah, that's a good one. That is good. Hope we get something really, really good. I don't know if they do ratios in this set or not, but I'm hoping they do, because if they do, that's very helpful. very helpful to getting something good. Oh, Fuma Shuriken. Huh. And a reload. Okay. I don't know if I'm going to get any other than Guardian Angel Joan. There's a lot of other stuff to get. I do remember there is a ninja card, that's like an ultra rare, that's really, really good. I don't know if I'm going to get any of the really, really good ones. Because so far I haven't. Well, I got the Guardian Angel Joan, but, you know, like, I didn't get D-Mock, I didn't get anything like this. Gigantus. So what's this? Set. First be special summoned by banishing one earth monster from the graveyard. This card is destroyed by battle and sent to the graveyard. Destroy all spells and traps on the field. Huh, that's not bad, but I'll put that on the side. I'm not sure. Burning Algae, Spear of the Pot of Greed, and Getsu Fuma. Card battles. Destroy that monster at the end of the damage. Okay, that's not a bad one. That's not a bad warrior. So some of these cards I can see myself using. See, I'm hoping I get one of the really good ones, but I'm not sure. Not sure if I will. Oh, again, I think they just said it strangely. So, Invader of Darkness. Opponent cannot activate quick play spell cards. Okay, that's a secret rare. So, that's probably the one that you get. That's a good one. That is a good one. That's decent. Oh, and another Lacunga. Okay. But yeah, that's clearly the better one in that pack. So, I don't know. If I don't get anything really, really, really good, I may have to get another one. Get another box set at some point. I'll have to figure out when, but... Chasm the Zapper. Oh, no, that's just... Okay. I don't know. I may not get anything really good other than that Angel Joan and that Invader of Darkness or whatever. I mean, there's some things that are good, but, like, in terms of, like, rarity, like, the legendary ones, the ones that everybody wants from the set, I don't know if I'm gonna get that. I think I'm kind of... It's just kind of luck of the draw, right? You either get it or you don't. Oop, oh, Berserk Gorilla. I love me some Berserk Gorillas. Dimension Fusion, okay. That's an ultra rare, that one there. And like I said, I'm getting some good rares, just not the specific ones that I like I said, everybody really wants. The Chaos Emperor Dragon, the Blackluster Soldier, and the D-Mock, Dark Magician of Chaos. Black Chaos. Oh, Range Battle Locks, yeah. Again, I'm getting some bomb rares, but it's the... I may have to buy another one. Try and get the signature cards from here. Oop, oh, Orca's Mega Fortress of Darkness, huh? That's actually pretty good. That one's a good one. And I know that if I do that thing of putting it, you know, after doing that, if they come down here, that means there's got to be another rare in here. We'll see which one it is. Blazing Pachi pretty good. Yep. I should probably put Blazing Pachi down there. Chain Disappearance again. I only have 5 left. That doesn't bode well. For getting the really, really, really good ones. I mean, like I said, don't get me wrong, there's some goodies in here, so, but, like, we all know, I don't need to say it a million times, we all know which ones I want. Yeah, the Blackluster Soldier, Envoy of the Beginning, Chaos Emperor Dragon, Envoy of the End. One of those ones. Technically, I do have the DMOC already. Stray Lambs again. So, oh well. I got it separately, and technically I could go buy them. But honestly, it is better if you pull them. If you get them in a pull, that's honestly what you want. You do want them in a pull, because it's just... only 3, damn. It's not. This is looking like less and less likely. It's like, damn. damn. I mean, it could be there, but in one of these packs, but it's kind of looking worse for me. Range battle locks. Again, I'll use them. I can use these. Yep. So, what do we think, folks? Did I get one, or did I get a box set that didn't have it? So, I thought for sure there would be one in here. The reason why is because I've seen every opening I've seen, almost every opening I've seen, particularly like Ruxin 34 and Rhyme. It seems like when he opens one of these, he gets one of the major cards. So, like I said, that's also why I said I'm really hoping for the ratios, because often with the ratios, they tell you you get at least one of like the secret rare and stuff. Damn. Okay. Yeah, we're not getting anything with this. It's gonna be... I almost guarantee it. I almost guarantee we're not getting any of the good ones. Like I said, there's still good ones in here, but not the signature. Oh, it's just Balloon Lizard. Oh, gee. Damn it. Okay. Well, look. We did get some good cards. We got the Dark Triceratopses. We got Mad Dog of Darkness and Rage Battlelocks. Orca Mega Fortress of Darkness. That is a good one. I did get a Berserk Gorilla. We did get Invader of Darkness. Getsufuma is a pretty good one. And see, I didn't even get the Ninja guy either. Looks like I will have to buy another one of these box sets. Like, I have to. This is a good card. I have to. I just have to. And we did get Guardian Angel Joan. That is a good card. So, you know, it's Trap Jammer and Stray Lambs. Those are good ones. So, don't get me wrong. Don't get twisted. As they say, don't get twisted. It's not terrible. This is... There are a lot of good ones in here, but fortunately, we didn't get the ones that we really wanted. So, if for when I do buy Invasion Chaos set, or, you know, the packs or whatever, a box, I will upload that one as well.